Alright guys, so I've had a few people ask, my child's on Epic, they want to read on Epic, and I want to be able to track what books they're reading. Are they actually reading? Are they in their level? And are they doing what they're supposed to do? So I got looking into it to see how are you able to do that? And I found the answer. So I figured a screencast was the easiest way to get us through that. So once you're in on your kid's account, we're just going to use Bronson here because I already used him once today, so I know he has a book on there. It comes into a page that looks like this. This is usually where the kids are able to search for whatever it is that they want to read. If you want to see what Bronson's actually been reading and how long he's been on that book and whether or not he's been doing what he's supposed to, you would come up to where it says his name. You're going to click View Profile, and then it tells you his activity. It's going to tell you his achievements, and it also, if you click right here, it's going to give you his reading log. So you're going to see where I logged on as Bronson and did these two books earlier today when we were talking about when I was making a screencast about how to do these. So that would be how you would check, and you could see, okay, he only got 12% of Scaredy Squirrel, or oh, he didn't get any of Animal Adaptations read, and he was only reading it for 5 minutes. So that would be where you could look at this and say, okay, let's have a conversation about how's my child doing, and what do I need to do to maybe help make sure that they're getting books finished. So hopefully this helps. Remember, it is up under their name, and then you click View Profile, and then the View Reading Log. That is how you find what your child is reading on Epic.